covered, Dunbog and all the other
I
area.
see. And that's the church is still in use though, is it?
Well, there's a new one that's been built further up from the old one. It's about 100 yards up the road. And that's sort of the 1870s. But the old one's a 12th century one.
Oh my God, is it? Really old?
It's all of the old...
just a ruin though now?
Yeah, but it's fairly complete ruin. It's just the roof that's gone. It's quite an interesting graveyard and church. You should have a look at that, like, it's well kept as well.
Is it?
Yeah, and you can just access and go in yourself.
Yeah, I see.
Abdi.
I'm recording
Very
this.
nicely, isn't it?
I'm recording so everybody's quiet, I can actually get that.
Looking a long time for a rainbow today.
Oh look, I think have we got a family of young?
Yes, yeah, that's where I'm just heading, so we can have a wee better
young
look.
swans.
A family of what?
Of young, what do you call it?
Cygnets.
Cygnets, yes,
Cygnets.
cygnets.
Not go too close, but
We should be seeing those on the pond at Gannicky soon, Jamie, because there's a pair breeding on Gannicky Pond. I know you're not done with everything now, but
Is that rubbish?
Not rubbish, Alex. Just little bits of sort of weed and algae and.
Yeah, because the weather's been